What's going on? Back again with another Chemical Guys mystery box. This one is the Go Blazing Banana mystery box. It's supposed to be for the St. Patrick's Day. I got one here. Just got it in the mail from FedEx. See what we got. It was a $49 deal with $79 worth of product. Sometimes I get some good stuff in here. Sometimes I don't. My last one when I did the Adams was disappointing. Let's see what we got. Thank you for your order. I don't care about all that. Bubbles. Bubbles. More bubbles. More bubbles. T-shirt. Got a t-shirt. I like t-shirts. Let's see what we got. T-shirt. ChemicalGuys.com. I like that. That's pretty nice. Inside the box is another box. Oh, there's my bulldog again. I know if you watch any of my other videos, you see my bulldog's always around. If I'm around, she's around. It's like my shadow. Alright, oh, right on. Some more stickers. I like these too. Got them all over my wife's car and she didn't even know it for a while. And there's that Go Blazing Banana spray wax. It's a limited edition. I might not even use it and just keep it for that. The Diablo wheel cleaner. This actually ain't too bad. I've used it a few times. Out of all the wheel cleaner, this is their better one of the wheel cleaners that they got. EZ-Creme glaze. Creates a situation that allows strong ionic polymer to adhere to the surface of the acrylic and urethane top coat, delivering shine and protection. I've actually never seen this. Can't wait to try it. And this month they got the gray bag. So I got the February they had the Valentine's one, which was red. This one's the gray one, which I do like that one. It's pretty cool. They got applicator for the tires, which I really don't use much of, but it'd be good to have. Wow, what's this? Deer scent snow foam. Oh, beer scent. Me and beer get along just fine too. I might even use that for body wash. And microfiber wash. I actually do use quite a bit of this because I do wash all my microfibers. But I do have one I haven't even opened yet. And one of my favorites, applicator pads. These actually are pretty big too compared to the smaller ones. This would be good for doing polishing. And that's all we got. See what the totals are. You're going to see that right here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget the subscribe button. I do mystery boxes at least once a month. I do post a video on detailing at least once a week. So please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me which one of these that you think is the best one. Thanks for watching.